You're using CapCut completely wrong. You've been told that making a viral video takes hours of manually chopping clips and dragging tiny pieces of text around. But working hard is actually the amateur way to edit. Right now, there is a hidden, lazy way to use CapCut that does 90% of the work for you. Today, I'm giving you the 3-step magic method to cut your editing time in half. Let's go! We all know the frustration. You record a great video, but you miss a few awkward pauses. Your viewers get bored, and they swipe away in 3 seconds. You lose the view. But it's not your fault. You just haven't been shown the shortcut. Before we touch a clip, there's one 5-second setting you must change. Always make sure your app is updated to the 2026 version. Then hit the export settings and select 1080p. This ensures your video isn't blurry. Now, let's jump into step 1. First, we have to fix the speed of your video. Stop manually deleting those awkward pauses. CapCut has a built-in magic button called Remove Filler Words. With one tap, the app listens to your voice and automatically chops out every and long silence. Quick heads up, this and a few other magic buttons are CapCut Pro features. But if you value your time, it's worth every penny. Just like that, your video is fast, and you saved yourself 20 minutes. If you skip this next step, your viewers will click off immediately. Your video is fast, but it needs to be fun to look at. You don't need a computer degree for smooth, sliding text. Just tap the animations button, pick a movement, like bounce in, and CapCut does the math for you. 2 taps, and your video looks pro. Step 3 is the secret weapon most people ignore: sound. Bad sound makes a video feel cheap, but constantly turning background music up and down yourself is a nightmare. Instead, turn on the auto duck switch. This tells CapCut to automatically lower the music when you talk and raise it when you stop. It feels like absolute magic. Wait, your video is fast and it sounds great, but if you stop here, you're still going to fail. Why? Because dull colors kill retention. Phone cameras can make you look gray and boring, but go to the filters section and click the auto adjust wand. The app instantly fixes the lighting and makes the colors pop. Your standard phone video now looks like it was shot on an expensive cinema camera. You now have the exact system to edit a professional video in half the time without pulling your hair out. But here is the hard truth. All the fancy editing in the world will not save a video if your original idea is boring. If you want the exact formula I use to come up with ideas that guarantee views before I even pick up my camera, you need to click this video right here.